Hey loves, it's Ashane. In this video, I'll be doing the makeup in alphabetical order challenge. First things first, we're going to start with the letter B for blush. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I ran out of blush, so I'm using this, and I have no clue what this is. I mean, I know it's blush, but not too bad. Now that we're done with the blush, the next thing is concealer. Oh, that was foundation. Concealer, which has become my best friend because normally I do not wear like a full face of makeup. I usually just do like my eyes, eyebrows, put on some concealer, some lipstick, and I'm out the door. And I still look good. I know a lot of people usually put like big globs of like concealer and stuff on. I don't. So I feel like this is enough. I don't like overdoing things. Maybe I'll get to that point. Who knows? Cover up some of these bumps. I'm going to the dermatologist the 18th of this month. So hopefully my skin, y'all can't really tell on camera, but like I've had really good skin, and I don't know if it's because I've been eating seafood a lot or like what it is, but like my face has just been like breaking out as of lately. So I'm going to the dermatologist and seeing what the heck is up with that. Next up, we have eyebrows are my favorite.
Eyebrows are my favorite.
Yeah. I basically wing this every single time I do my eyebrows. Look at that, y'all. You guys, I have been doing makeup since I was 3 years old. No, I'm just kidding. I just started. But I don't feel like I'm that bad. Be careful and make sure you get that arch if that's what you're going for, which is what I'm going for. So yeah, make sure you kind of make like that V shape and you get closer to where you want your peak to be in your eyebrows. Making me sound like a professional. Okay, next we have eyeshadow. As you guys know, I like to use concealer as a primer. So that's what I'm putting on first. And so like, all right. Do you guys do this with your face whenever you're like doing your eyes? Like I do it every time. You guys are probably like, what the heck is she doing with this green? Let me tell you right now. I don't know, but we're gonna see. See how this looks. I'm just putting that on the edge. I don't know if this is like super noticeable. I might end up putting something darker at the end when I'm done. Just not sure right now. But my favorite part is blending. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get a tad bit more concealer and stick it in the corners of my eyes, smooth it out. And I'm going to blend that as well. Whoever invented the blending brush is a genius. Okay, so I want to try the Diamond and Breakfast color from the Too Faced. Dabbing this on here. Real nice and light. Real nice and light. Real nice and light. Say that 5 times fast. Getting these crease right here. So starting to look really nice, you guys. So we're just using this gold a little bit at the top just to kind of blend the glitter in with the green eyeshadow. And once again, we're just blending it through. What I'm going to do is get this lighter greenish yellow color and kind of put it right at the edge of the glitter. And just blend it. As you know that I have to go with like something a tad bit dark on the outside just because I love the way that looks. And I always just go with like the darkest color on the palette. Whatever palette you're using, that darker or darkest shade. And then I'm just gonna blend that in as well. Okay guys, now that we're done with eyes, next we have foundation. I'm trying not to cover up my blush. Next up on the list is highlighter. Now highlighter really is my favorite. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. When you take pictures, when I say this like really brightens your pictures up, it really does. Like, you can see that glow. You're popping. And then I also do like my nose. So I just go up and just do layering. Next we have lashes. I love doing I love eyelashes. I just hate putting them on. I don't know why I have such a difficult time. Next up is mascara. I'm just going to put this mascara on underneath my fake eyebrows. I mean eyelashes, not eyebrows. You're probably like, what is she talking about? Who is that? Oh, oh my gosh. Just kidding on the mascara. Next up, because we're definitely in the L's, so I got ahead of myself. The next letter up is liner. So I'll be putting on the liquid eyeliner on the top of my eyelashes and the regular eyeliner, the pencil, on the bottom. I'm just acting all kind of crazy in this video. I forgot my ABCs and all. You guys, honestly, I thought this was gonna look really bad, but honestly, so far, look pretty good. So, yeah. And you can somewhat still see my blush, even though I've already put like the highlighter and a little bit of foundation on top of it. It's like peeking through a tad bit. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Okay, so next up, you guys, we have lipstick. So you guys, I always like to use a lip liner pencil, and then I like to fill in my lips with just lipstick, and this is e.l.f. I don't know what color it is because it's rubbed off. I've had it for so long, but let's put it on. One thing I haven't tried is making my lips look fuller. I know they say if you get like the eyeliner pencil and put it on like the outer edges, is it the outer edges of your lip, or do you have to go like even further than that? I'm not sure because I haven't tried it, but one of these days maybe. No, I'm just filling it in. I like to get a lip liner and a lipstick that are pretty close in color, or if not the same color, just so when you go to, they blend very well. Okay, you guys, next is the mascara. And technically, I didn't cheat too much because I still have to do my bottom lashes, but the top have already been done. I kind of skipped a step on accident or got carried away. We'll just say I got carried away and not that I don't know my ABCs. It sounds better. I really want to find like some lashes that are for the bottom, or that go on the bottom. Just because I feel like when I see people who have like really long lashes, bottom lashes, it just looks really nice and dramatic. And I love like the dramatic look when it comes to like eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, anything in this area. Because honestly, you really could have no makeup on at all. And as long as your eyes are done, like, you're good to go. In my opinion. Too bad I'm not going anywhere. Because my face is beat. Okay, you guys, that ends the ABC challenge. So comment, like, subscribe, and also let me know any tips or tricks that you found while applying makeup, just so everyone else in the comments can know, so I can know and try as well. And be sure to check out my video above. Bye, loves.